Here's a topic where if my name is Tanis Gillespie and I don't know it, and my name were restored to Tanis Gillespie from what I've been living as kind of my whole life as Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, I was like, what might that entail for my YouTube channel, and like logistics, and like my YouTube channel literally looks like. So what my name restoration to Tanis Gillespie from Tanis Coralee Leonhardi might entail. So this is a weekend Wednesday rumination, so to speak, kind of talking through something. And it's a Wednesday, 17 September 2025. And here I, Tanis Gillespie of Seattle, talk through what logistics for my YouTube channel might entail if my name were restored to Tanis Gillespie from Tanis Coralee Leonhardi. So there's kind of two ways to think of that. So new videos would be with my name to follow videos describing the changes to come and or name restoration process so as not to be premature. So it's like, so let's say it is Tanis Gillespie and I see the birth certificate and I'm like, that's great. All of my stuff is still on Tanis Coralee Leonhardi, right? So I could put a video, I've seen it, that's my name. But if I want the videos and branding of the channel to be Tanis Gillespie, there's a process of I would want to change my name. Okay, and so like, am I going to go through that process? Right, communicating with my audience. So it would, if applicable, as applicable, and it may be a process as opposed to just like pressing a button and everything's different. Okay. So that's the moving forward with the videos. The going backwards is a little bit more, people are like, I just don't see it. I'm like, well, it's short and sweet is one thing. So one thing, short and sweet, like it's like I've eaten a sea salt caramel frozen yogurt bar a number of times, Simple and Truth brand. I have one each morning. It's short and sweet like that. It's just one thing. So videos filmed under a name other than Tanis Gillespie, like pre-changing my name, as in name restoration. Take the number of hours of videos I have published cumulative across from all my videos on the channel. Calculate the number of corresponding 24-hour days and distribute video description changes accordingly. So essentially, if I have 48, let's say I have 21 days worth of video footage on my YouTube channel, at like calculated out at 24 hours a day or 20 hours, then I give myself 20 days to make changes to all of the previously published videos under a name other than Tanis Gillespie, Tanis Coralee Leonhardi specifically. This is what I'm talking through. The changes would be a sentence, like my content not made for kids. So in my video descriptions I have a sentence, content not made for kids, and literally it'd be one sentence. Sentence in my video description currently only so that's currently in the section. Only the sentence would say the video was filmed with the corresponding name before it was restored to Tanis Gillespie on the date my name was restored. So it'd be a like essentially the product would be the same, only add one sentence, which for some of my descriptions that are at or approximately like at or very close to the video description length cutoff, I may have to like trim some stuff. But essentially a sentence that says it was filmed before my name was restored to Tanis Gillespie, and include in that sentence as well the date my name was restored. That way, like it has both my real name and the name I've created it with, but it's also true to those of us who were present at the time, retaining that experience as well and keeping that authentic. So, all right, that's it. A sentence, at least on looking backwards. Short and sweet. Sometimes short and sweet solutions are difficult to come up with, and some people really are averse to accepting a solution once it's elaborated for whatever reason. It's an interesting one. So that's what my name restoration to Tanis Gillespie from Tanis Coralee Leonhardi might entail.